Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of this video under logarithm. In the part 1 we looked at the laws of logarithm. So if you mix that, you'll find a link to it in the description of this video. So in this part 2 we are going to be solving examples under logarithm. So if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe and the bell button beside the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our future videos and the subsequent part of this video. So these are the examples we are going to be looking at in the part 2 of this video, which we are going to be solving for the value of x. If you look at all these examples, you can see x, there's x. So we are going to be looking at for what the actual value of this x is. So for the number 1, it says log 8 to base x is equals to 1 over 3. So right here we are going to look for what is the actual value of x that will give us 1 over 3. Now to solve this question, we are going to be applying the law of logarithm. So the law we are going to be applying here is this law 11. The law 11 that we looked at in the part 1 of this video, where we have log a to base b is equals to y. So we can have it as b raised to power y is equals to a. What are we saying? So if you should compare this law 11 with question 1, what we are going to be having is x raised to power 1 over 3 is equals to 8. So let's compare it again. Log a, and then we have a here, we have 8. We have b here, we have x, we have y, and then we have 1 over 3. So what it means that b raised to power y, that means b raised to power y is equals to a. Again, b raised to power y is equals to a. So if I should bring it to this example, it will be x raised to power 1 over 3 is equals to 8. So that is what we have here. X raised to power 1 over 3 is equals to 8. So by simplifying this, if we are able to solve this, we'll get the value for x. So at this junction, so what we are going to do to get rid of this power of 1 over 3, what we are going to do is multiply both sides by the power of 3. What am I saying? You see, multiply both sides by the power of 3. So we'll have x raised to power 1 over 3 raised to power 3 times, is equals to 8 raised to power 3. So we have x raised to power 3 over 3 is equals to 8 raised to power 3. So this can cancel this, leaving us with x is equals to 8 raised to power 3, and x raised to power 3 is equals to 512. So that means the value of x in this expression is 512. So that's it for example 1. So let's go to the example 2. So for the example 2, which is for example 2, we have log x to base 9 is equals to 1.5. Log x to base 9 is equals to 1.5. Now this example 2 also, we are going to be looking for the value of x. We are also going to be following the same way we solved example 1 by following law 11. So by now you should understand how law 11 works. So we'll have it as 9 raised to power 1.5 is equals to x. So we can rewrite this as 9 raised to power 3 over 2 is equals to x. So we can also write it as 3 raised to power 2, which is equals to 9, all raised to power 3 over 2 is equals to x. So if you have, so these two can cancel this, because what we are having is if we have 3 raised power 2 raised power 3 over 2, that means we are having 3 raised power 2 times 3 over 2. So the two can cancel each, leaving us with 3 raised power 3. So now we are left with 3 raised power 3 is equals to x. So that means 3 raised power 3 is 27 is equals to x. So that means the value of x is equals to 27. So the value of x in this expression is, so if we have log 27 to base 9, our answer will be 1.5. So let's look at for the example 3. I want you to solve example 3 and let me know what your answer is in the comment section. So we are going to apply in law 11 also to solve example 3. So just do that and let me know what your answer is in the description, in the video, in the comment, sorry. So let's look at the example 4. So example 4 says if log 2 to base x is equals to 0.3, evaluate log 8 to base x. So this one doesn't, we are not going to be using the law 11 anymore. So let's solve it. Let's see. So this is what we are looking for. Said log 8 to base x. Now we can also rewrite this as, okay, so log 8 to base x, we can also rewrite this as log 2 raised power 3 to base x. Now let's look at a particular law we are going to be using here. So we are going to be using log 5. When log 5 is log a raised power b is equals to b log a. So the power we are going to bring in before the log, we are going to be applying that here. So we will have 3 log 2 to base x. The power we are bringing it behind the log. So we have 3 log 2 base x. Now let's go back to the question. It says if log 2 base x is equals to 0.3. So that if you look at here, this is log 2 base x, and the question says if log 2 base x is equals to 0.3. So we are going to substitute the value of this with 0.3. So that means we'll have 3 times 0.3. So that will be 0.9. So the answer for this example 4 is 0.9. The value for x, so our x is equals to 0.9. So that is it for the solution to the example, to this example. Don't forget, for this number 3, kindly solve it and let me know what your answer is in the comment section below. So in the next part of this video, we are going to be looking at more not so complex but more examples under logarithm. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and so that you don't miss any of our video. Thank you.